How to exit safe mode in Windows. Hello everybody, in this video we are going to teach you, so without any delay, let's just jump right in. For that, you may open up a desktop, and once you open it up, all you gotta do in order to turn off your safe mode is go ahead and hit Windows plus R, and this opens up. After you do that, in this run section, you need to type in msconfig and hit OK. And once you hit that, you will be finding this pop up on your screen. Now from here, all you gotta do is look out for the second option from this given tools at the top. Go to boot, and we have this option of safe boot option. All you gotta do is, if this option is turned on, like this check marked, just go ahead and uncheck it and then click on apply. After that, click on OK and restart your device, and your safe mode should be disabled. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.